everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this soft, sparkly, mauve toned look using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I've also used some delicate glitter to make it sparkly and a small winged liner. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'll be starting with the eyebrows, and for that I'm using my favorite Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 6. As always, I'm going to start with the top part of my brows, pulling in hair-like strokes and filling in those sparse areas. And then there's a spoolie in the back of this pencil. So I'm going to use that to brush my brow hair upwards so I can clearly see at the bottom. And I'm going to be doing the same, pull hair-like strokes and fill in the sparse areas. Using my favorite concealer, the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath my brows and also use it on my lids, and that'll be the base for the eyeshadows that I'll be using next. I'm going to lightly set this with the Airspun translucent powder to prevent the concealer from creasing. I'm going to be using some sticky tape in the outer corner as an extension of my lower lash line to get those dramatic straight edges, and I'm just using regular office sticky tape. I'm going to start with a black eyeshadow closer to my lash line. This is called Let's Do It from Colourpop. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. I'm taking it with a small flat shader brush, and I'm going to draw out a wing in the outer corner, joining the sticky tape to my lash line. Just keep on repeating and layering the eyeshadow till you're happy with the intensity. Next, from the Amethyst Obsessions palette, I'm taking this kind of like a shimmery magenta shade with another flat shader brush and repeating the previous step. I'm going to join it all the way from the sticky tape to my lash line, but I'm doing it right on top of the black eyeshadow that I just used. And then I'm taking this dense brush from Milani and I'm going to start dabbing the two eyeshadows together. I don't really have to do the blending motion, the swiping motion, none of that. All I have to do is dab, and the brush will take care of mixing the two eyeshadows and giving me that seamless blend. To jazz this up further, I'm going to be adding some delicate rose gold glitter from the Boss palette. So this is the shade that I'll be using. And with the same dabbing brush, I'm going to dip into this glitter and just dab it on top of the eyeshadows. Now, because this is pressed glitter, it doesn't even need a base or an adhesive. You can go directly with a brush and dab it on your lid. And as you can see, that looks so delicate and so sparkly and doesn't look chunky at all, but still adds that wow factor. Now it's time to take off the tape, and I'm going to be using some Milani concealer to clean up underneath. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first use this mauve color eyeshadow. This is a matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to smoke it out throughout my lower lash line. And then I will use the black eyeshadow closer to my waterline. To tight line, I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. And then using the e.l.f. eyeliner in black, I'm going to pull out a small wing, and I'm keeping the eyeliner very close to my lash line because I have hooded eyes. But if you have larger lid space, you can most definitely go for a bigger liner look. Using the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. And I'm going to finish up with some mascara and lashes, but before that I'm curling my lashes to get that nice arch so it blends in well with the false lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Excessive Lash Mascara. This is from Makeup Forever. And for lashes, I'm using my all-time favorite. These are Brazen from Black Label. If you're looking to buy these, because these are back in stock, and if you want a discount code, you'll find that in the description box below. I'm going to pair this with one of my favorite nude lipsticks from Milani in 27. This is from the Salt and Pepper collection. And here's the completed look, and I truly believe dabbing method is one of the easiest ways to pull off either a smoky eye or a fox eye. And after I posted that video previously about how to create a smoky eye look using the dabbing method, so many of you have told me that you've struggled for such a long time to create a nice smoky eye, and now it's so easy with the dabbing method. I hope you will try it again, and you'll try it with glitter this time. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. In the description box below, you'll find links to all the products that I used, along with my social media links if you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.